Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to this week's Monday Minute. In this video, I'm going to show you what a warning alert is within the XactXpert drawer. Here, on the top right side of the screen, within the drawer, there's a legend. This is a terminology key. You can see there are 3 types of alerts, with warnings being in the middle. Warnings are orange. Warnings have to be resolved or bypassed before you can complete or print an estimate. This is typically when you have an overage or an error in your scope, like if you've used a line item in a way that it was not intended. Warnings can be resolved by following the guidance within the drawer, or it can be bypassed and provide an explanation as to why you were not following the guidance, why it was not resolved. Remember, if you're trying to complete your scope and print it out, warnings have to be addressed. Bear in mind this is live estimating guidance. The types and amounts of alerts you are given are entirely dependent on your scope and react to your scope as you write it. This gives you flexibility in how you review and handle the live estimating guidance within the XactXpert drawer. Thanks for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Keep learning and growing.